In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, peace be upon you. Welcome to Rohaniya cooking channel. Today the recipe we are presenting, as you might guess from the picture, is the method to make these soft and excellent puris. Whether it's about tikka boti or rolled parathas or having chickpeas for breakfast, puris are a must. So let's start the recipe. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. First, we have taken this white flour. You only need to add salt to it. Do not adding your sets, do not add any oil or anything else. If I saki samni sase kasike anything aris and make a very nice dough. Look, we rested the dough for 10 to 15 minutes like this, then knead it well or put some effort into making it smooth, and then make small balls and roll them out like this into puris. That's right. See this weight, and then you have to add it to hot boiling oil, so your puris will become round and puffed like this, and they will be very soft inside, and they will and there will be no oil inside them at all. The If you add oil to the dough while kneading, then the puree will definitely have oil in it, so you should not do that. So, and if you like the video, please like it. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe. So see you in the next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.